Come test drive the 2025 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.